You have nowhere to go.
How about you stop running your mouth and show yourself? Stop hiding like a rat.
You should have gotten on that plane. You're going to regret that decision.
You can hide all you want, but I swear I'll find you.